Hello guys, in this video we're gonna just do the sound test comparison. Just the sound test from B-Wave to the JBL Boombox 710 at minimal volume, but the rest are maximum level of volume. This one's half of the volume, this one half of the volume, but this one golden levels of volume. Let's start with B-Wave. Oh, then we're gonna get paired. This time I will gonna use a big line instead of golden because due to copyright claim and copyright partially blocked by some singers over here. Like I did on the fireworks show and on the cross of the floor. Yeah. Now to the one with the cube. Trap wireless speakers. That's powering off. Now this only gets on 100. Now to the ARM music Ludo. With the doesn't. We're gonna reset the videos right now because this one is gonna be the end of the song. Now there's a little just on 200. It starts to feel like a bass. Now the typical one. Hopefully it gets clear. Yeah. All the sound qualities and the street ones. Now the typical tree. It has the great sound qualities. Now the typical 4. The same typical 4 as Mr. Speaker Awards. Now to the Sony. Look at the passive readiness. Now to the input. Oh, I saw a bit over here. Now to the version will be 1LP500, but this one is gonna be the end of the song. At maximum level volume. As you can tell, the version will has the passive readiness and 1 milliwoofers. The difference is the only speaker style that we support like a virtual bell. Next year, I will compare to virtual bell 1 ARP 10. Now to the Elo Valley.
Bluetooth mode.
Perfect timing. Now did you keep your clip 4? Now to the vertical S. Now to the silver crust bite. This fire feels like a bass. Now to the host data 600.
Power on. Pairing. Connected. Power off.
Now to the other music corner. It will play automatically. Beautiful night clothes. So yep, let's disconnect this by power it off. But it just shut down automatically. But now the host not has
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
720.
Bluetooth connected.
Let's reset the music. Wow! Host Nada have more bass.
Power off.
So yep, now to the next step.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
This one have better voices. Ready for
The
connect.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Now to the version with my 1 ERP400. Whoa, more bass out the passive readiness. Whoa, you can feel the bass. No way. As you can tell, you can feel the bass. Whoa, what's that? Now to the host not has 420.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Connected. Power off.
Now to the atmosphere. Before I will cut to the second part. can feel the bass. So much pressure about what they'll be 400. Girls, look at that. This is the end of our songs before I will watch this time. So please do not turn off on my phone. That is it for the part 1. Now let's move to the part 2 after I watch. Now into the part 2 begins. That starts with the experts. They might be not connected as well. Let's check. So yep. 630380. Here it goes. Now it's connected. Maximum level of volume. Now the disco lights.
Bluetooth mode.
What a nice light shows.
Elected.
Let's power it off with the remote.
Power off.
There it goes. Now to the one to go M. If I was using the business telephone, that's gonna be my major problem. So just shout down instantly after they shake the speakers. Now to the THA 113.
Bluetooth mode.
This is via 117, but not via 111. You got that? But via 111 is the sound bars for the PCs. Should be on flip 5 now. Oh, I can feel the bass. Power off. Now to the clip of flip 6. They might be connected or not. Let me see. Clip your flip 6. Here it goes. There it goes. It can actually feel the best. What? It can actually feel the bass. Oh, yep. Just look at that. Now for the KTS for 612. So, yep. So the KPO Flip 6 is actually feeling the bass. KPO Flip 5 and the Flip 6 with the bass. Let's wait for the tweet. Let's wait until the bass drops. Then we does nothing. Let's turn off for a bit because now the receiver is nothing, but first we must put in the charger for the moment because of this. Because they keep turning off because of the bass drop. Seriously. Alright, let's put it in the charge and let's turn it on. There it goes. To the turn off of the Silvercast 910 because it keeps popping off like a portable box after the no batteries. Now to the one to go out. It actually feels the best on the startup. Now to the host that is 200. So yep. Before the Boombox.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
After the pause. After XXL. After Jellyfish. And after a temple with off. When we connect to Boombox. Then a power box. Now it's connected. Let's switch to the maximum level for you. Let's wait. That's fun.
Power off.
Now to the host number history 10 of the moment of bear with 4. The bass on the host number history 10 is more powerful. But it was powerful.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
The most powerful is the Horizontal is 200. That's power off.
Power off.
Now to the RDSP 250. This one doesn't survive any longer for the moment. There it goes. To the powering on. Let's reset. To the maximum effort. Now to the other audio speakers. This is audio speaker B320. This one have the weakest part for you. Just hold on. There it goes. There it goes. Now to the worshipful power one. ARP 800 and let's do that. For good. The passive for years is inside the other worshipful power one ARP 800. There it goes. Wait for the bass drum. The bass is shaking. Let's power off. Now to the television speakers. It has the power on.
Bluetooth mode connected. Power off.
The max 120 is a little bit good, but this one have 10 watts. But the JBL Flip 5, the JBL Flip 6, the KTS 4612, the Fossil Pad 1 ERB 800, the 1 ERB 400, the Intel spare. and the next one have more basic. But with the horizontal is 200 and the horizontal is 310 have more base. Now to the last one is a tempo with off. There we go, now to the end of the second part. Now let's move on to the boombox part. Let's start with in tempo with the bass boost. But this one is the pulsar one, but instead we're gonna start with in tempo one. With the bass boost. There we go. Now let's turn on. Maximum level. And let's power off now to the pulsar bots.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Then Hill's got stop. There we go, start to the bass boost. To maximum level.
Power off.
Now this is the end of the boombox. Now to the power box and the 50% volume. We're gonna set just the normal one with normal one. There it goes. Let's power on. Let's power off. To the 50% volume. Keep your purpose at 10. The keep your portable 710 have 50%. This is the end for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Greatest Speaker with the Bells YouTube channel for more videos. this is the end for the day, guys. Bye, guys, and thank you for watching.